here through and through. Listen here, Redskin Nation. I want you to look high to the sky. I want you to pump your chest. And I want you to know that you know that you know in the final minutes, in the final hours, that I'm going to stand, that you're going to stand, that we all will be standing up in Baltimore telling them people, hail to the Redskins, hail to the Redskins. We believe the Ravens can't mess with us because being a Raven fan, they just don't understand. Hey, y'all, at Rev T in DC, baby, believe, baby, march with me.
Do your thing.